Again, I ran out of memory space and had to delete some videos, and now I'm short on battery, so I have to make it quick. Anyway, I made this one after looking at Steve Critter Davis and the Pathfinder guys, Dave Canterbury. They're yeah, basically it is a 18th century church that they and I like historical things, so made my own version. And, it is pretty lightweight, and made out of rebar mesh. Have a hook portion, a skewer, can be a stand in its own, and more stable stand. But I'm going to use it like this, and as it is pretty small diameter, it's about 5 mm thick, it needs some strengthening. So I hook it in one of the loops I had for transport, and a kind of a crane designed to it. Then I have this thing I made out of stainless steel, 2 mm. It has 2 hooks and 2 lips. So the hooks can go on a mug with a lip and hang. And if you want to use it in a bottle, this is almost full, by the way. You can use it in the same manner. So it's a great camp complement, and as you see, it bends quite a bit, but it holds up with no problem. I'm back again. The battery went out on me, and I took a long coffee break before I went and collected new batteries. But what I want to show you is another way to use with my Swiss Volcano stove cooking kit. I have the mug here, and I pass the fork through the handles like that. Pull it up, and what I get is a scoop, so I can scoop up water. This is that I've collected from the Boma shelter. I intentionally set the roof so it should collect water, as there are no natural streams in this area. So I'm gonna bring you along and collect some more. So there has been some improvements on the shelter, and I got some questions on if I could show you how to make one. and all it is the sticks weaved together to make a springy base. And on the back side I have about 5-6 feet of sticks. On the front side I have 3 feet, on the sides 3 to 4 feet. But here it is. So I've collected water in the tarp. I can reach down and scoop it up. So that's another use of the... Of course you can use it with a wire stick as well. But if you have a camp and you have the setup, it's quite convenient. So it weighs less than a pound, and in a situation when you're a couple of guys or girls for that matter, you can easily distribute the weight without it being a burden. So I'm going to show you the ground anchor. It's when the soil is very loose, this plate will stop it from going further down, and that's also where I attach the stay on the back side. And all I've done is weld the loose, how do you call it, metal bands around. So pretty simple design, but works good. And this one has a type of recurve, and then the loop that holds the bar. And my pot hanger obviously takes smaller neck bottles as well, and this one is quite small. So yeah. And this fire pit, I got the idea from David Pearson, really big monkey one. So it's a main fire pit and then a slope down, and you can feed longer sticks into it. It's a really cool idea, and you put the feeding slope in the wind direction, so it will blow air into it. And it's one of my favorites now. Okay, I've only used it once, but it's a bit similar to a Dakota fire pit, which is my favorite cooking fire. So there you have it, my cooking system. Still trying it out, but works good. Just want to show you guys another way to use the skewer. I popped it in the ground and weaved it in between the handle. So a couple of different uses. Now I'm gonna go and collect some fiddle bells or fern shoots as they are. Have some fern on the way up, and some smaller ones, and some even smaller ones. So they're just right. back to the fire and pop them in the mug. So it will be coffee and fiddleheads. And it will be good. Thank you for watching it again, and please comment if you want to, and thank you for your support. See you on the next one.